Hello friends, today we will see how to use overlock option on Usha Stella automatic zigzag machine. Let's get started. Overlock foot is not provided in the kit in Usha Stella zigzag machine. So we will see how to overlock using this simple foot. So you can see here I have the simple foot, and here we can set the stitch to zigzag sixth number. Yes. Keep the fabric in the center. And how we do the simple stitch, same way we can follow. See how nicely it came. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.